Hello Leo, this is your weekly love reading from 16 August to 22nd of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, if you have in your chart in Leo, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel. King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's do your reading. Queen of Swords, Four of Swords, Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, so many swords energy and Tower. Bottom of the deck is Page of Swords, again swords energy. So first of all I will tell you about the signs present here. With this Page of Swords, Four of Swords, Queen of Swords and Two of Swords, this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. With Nine of Cups we have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and with the Tower we have Scorpio. Maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio right now, most of you. So let's start your reading. Here we have Page of Swords. So somebody is very interested towards you, but they are not having any idea what you feel about them, and either you are actually available for a new relationship or not. They don't know about it. So it's a fresh energy. So this person want to know about you. They want to read you, what you have been through and all. So they want to give you a relationship, but they don't know where to start. Okay. So they see you as in hermit mode right now. They see you as you are very closed off right now, and you are actually contemplating so many things. So you are actually realizing so many things right now in your life, whatever happened to you in your past relationship. So they see you as this in this energy. Okay, so you have been through heartbreaks actually. That's why you are in hermit mode. You have been through heartbreak. Maybe some of you have been through a relationship in which you got divorced, or there was a very stable relationship that broke up abruptly. Okay, maybe due to the third party situation or whatever. Okay, so third party situation may be most probable. Okay, because here we have the Three of Swords. So here we have King of Swords and Queen of Swords. That's a same suits card, same suits, pair of same suits. So definitely there was a situation where you connected so well, you were connected so well, and now you got broke up completely. Okay, so now we will see. So here we have Queen of Swords. That means right now you are in this mode. That means this is a card of divorcee woman. Okay, divorcee woman, let's put it like that. Okay, so this is a card like you are very straightforward. You don't take BS from anybody, and but you don't show any emotions to somebody. Okay, so right now whoever comes to you, if they are coming correct, then you will welcome them in your life. Otherwise if they are coming with BS, then you will cut it out from their life. Okay, your life actually. So this is your energy right now, because you have been through that Three of Swords come and then Four of Swords. That means you have been through some large breakups and very painful situations. Okay, because of the third party situation you got the broke up, and here we have Four of Swords. That means you are right now healing, and you are having no contact situation right now. You don't want to talk to somebody new right now, but you will open up later on. But right now you are healing, you are in a healing mode. Okay, so we have Nine of Cups. So this is your energy abruptly changing from this Four of Swords to Nine of Cups. So something may have happened in this period of time. So might be in your career, or maybe somebody new comes. Okay, somebody new comes that actually fulfill your wishes. Okay, that that seems like that's what I want. Okay, this person is a complete package, 9 of cups. It's a very happy situation. You're getting very emotionally fulfilled. So this person is offering you that, but it can be a dream also. Okay, but it is a wish come true card, so it can be in a reality as well. So two of sword is here. Two of sword represent here is comparison. Okay, comparison and blindfoldedness. Okay, so right now you don't know what to do. Okay, you have been through a recent breakup, and then this new person comes that stirred your feelings now. Then you don't know about your feelings right now. So actually you want to believe that this person is good, but right now you have so many things in your mind that you are not able to judge this person in any way. Okay, so right now you don't have any decisions. You are very blindfolded right now. You are not able to take any decision towards them, but you have to take it because tower card is coming here. Tower moment is actually the decision that you were actually skipping and all, but now this is the time that you have to take the decision because tower moment come. Okay, so tower moment will actually shake you up. Okay, shake you up, wake you up, everything. Okay, so it will be very unexpected. This person may ask you for out, and or maybe they will offer you something that you were not expecting. So this can be very unexpected thing, but I am feeling that this tower moment is very positive, and this will actually transform you to a new relationship, and it will start a new relationship in your future. Okay, I will see, I will check your outcome card for this week. Please give me an outcome card for this week. Queen of Wands. So this is your energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also present here. Four of Pentacles. So this this person don't want to let you go to somebody else. Okay, they want to possess you. Okay, they want to have you in any cost, at any cost. Okay, so this person see you as Queen of Wands, who is very attractive person, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Okay, you are very awakened person for them, and you are like very attractive person towards them. They feel very attracted towards you basically. Okay, so they see you in this kind of energy. So right now you are just enjoying your energy in this moment. You will not give them right now right away the answer, but anyway this offer is coming abruptly. Okay, so let me pull out Queen of Moon oracle for you. Action. Okay, and trust the situation. So universe is saying that trust the situation and trust the universe, and you are protected basically from the universe, and universe is protecting you from each and every step. So don't worry about it, and you will be safe. You have to take the actions. Universe is saying that you have to take the actions. If you will delay those things, then tower moment will be a negative tower moment. So better you take the positive actions towards it. If your heart is saying yes, then you just go through it. If your heart is saying no, just don't go through it. Okay, but you have to take the actions. You don't keep it in limbo, this energy. Okay, so this was your reading, Leo. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.